Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing the top trending story, the viral video everyone's sharing, and even half the arguments in your feed weren't started by people at all. They were planted by thousands of fake accounts, all working together to trick you. Howdy again, this is Ricky with Law Dawg Tech Talks, and today we're pulling back the curtain on bot farms, what they are, where they come from, why they're dangerous, and more importantly, how you can fight back. So let's start with the basics. A bot farm is a massive network of automated accounts, bots, that like, share, and comment in sync. One bot doesn't really matter, but thousands, they can hijack conversations, bury real voices, and make fringe ideas look mainstream. They create the illusion of popularity, outrage, or consensus, even when none of it is real. But where did all this start? Bot farms didn't just appear overnight. They grew out of the same curiosity that gave us early internet chatbots, except someone realized they could be weaponized. At first, they were used for spam emails and fake product reviews. Over time, though, they evolved into sophisticated operations. Some are literal warehouses with rows of phones, each one running a fake account. Others are entirely cloud-based, running scripts 24/7, and they often set up in places where cheap labor and loose regulations make it easy to operate. So you might be wondering, why does this matter? Well, it's because bot farms distort reality. They drown out authentic voices, spread misinformation, and erode trust in what we see online. It's not just about politics. It's your shopping choices, your news feed, even your sense of what's real. When bots flood the system, they make it harder for genuine communities and conversations to be heard. How do you protect yourself in a world where every voice is not human? Well, here are some practical steps. Look for patterns. Accounts that post nonstop or use generic profile pics or repeat the same phrases are often bots. Let's not feed those trolls, guys. Even arguing with them boosts their visibility. Rely on trusted sources, not just what's trending. And finally, use platform tools. Mute, block, and report suspicious accounts. Most importantly, remember this. The internet is still full of real people, real communities, and real conversations worth having. And beyond the screen, real life interactions, family dinners, coffee with a friend, even a quick chat with a neighbor are something many of us are missing out on. Those moments can cut through the noise in a way no algorithm ever could. Bot farms may be loud, but they're not unbeatable. By staying sharp, supporting authentic voices, and refusing to be manipulated, we can make sure the real humans, the ones with the genuine stories, laughter, and ideas, shine through the noise, both online and in real life. Law Dawg out.